Hi guys, welcome to Explain Me How. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you that how to buy Spotify Premium. If you try to open it with your application, you will not be able to do it. So just open your Safari browser and search Spotify Premium. You will find an interface like this. Click on View Plans. And from here, you can pick up your desired plan. And also, you can enjoy 1 month free subscription from Spotify Premium. Click on the Get Started button and scroll down. Click on the Sign Up from Spotify and start filling this information. Sign up from free to listen. Enter your name, email, date of birth, etc. After filling all this information, please press sign up and then log into your account. This is how you can get a free subscription of your Spotify Premium account. Enjoy your time with Spotify. It is very easy and it is a very simple process. Just follow the steps and you will get your free Spotify Premium subscription. I hope this video will help you a lot. Thank you so much for watching it. For watching more amazing videos, subscribe the channel, hit the like button and also comment below. More unique and informative videos are coming very soon. So stay tuned you guys.